I lost everything in 2025, no money, no job, no degree, I wouldn't freak out. I wouldn't go begging for help. I wouldn't waste my nights scrolling for fast money hacks. I'd lock myself in a quiet room and remind myself of something powerful. I don't need money to make money. I need a system. And more importantly, I need belief. Most people never get rich because they don't actually believe it's possible for them. They say things like, "I'm not lucky," or "it's too late for me." But the truth is, the only difference between broke people and rich people is the way they think when they're starting from zero. So if I was starting from zero today, I'd ignore all the noise and focus on one thing: building digital income from scratch with my brain, not my wallet. First, I'd pick one skill, not 5, not 3, just one. It could be video editing, writing, designing, or researching. I'd ask myself, what could I become slightly better than average at in 30 days if I gave it my full focus? Let's say I choose faceless YouTube content. No talking, no camera, just ideas, scripts, visuals. That's it. I'd go to YouTube and study 10 viral channels doing the same. I'd reverse engineer them. What topics work? What thumbnails pop? What titles hook? I'd take notes like my life depends on it, because it does. Then I'd make my first video. No excuses, no perfectionism. I'd write a basic script with ChatGPT, use 11 Labs for voice, CapCut for editing, and Canva for thumbnail. All free tools. And when I upload that first video, I'm not just posting content, I'm planting the first seed of financial freedom. Because here's the secret most people miss. Your first video is not meant to go viral. It's meant to build your identity as a creator. So I'd commit to uploading 10 videos in 30 days. That's my only job. No results required. Just proof to myself that I can follow through. Around video 5 or 6, something starts to shift. My editing improves. My voiceovers sound cleaner. My titles get sharper. People comment. Maybe one video hits 1,000 views. That's the moment it clicks. I'm no longer someone trying to make money online. I'm someone building a digital asset. And here's where things get interesting. I take the same skills I used, writing, voiceover, editing, and I start offering them as services. I join Reddit forums, Facebook groups, and Fiverr. I post, "Need help with faceless videos? I'll script and edit them for you." First client? Maybe they pay me $20. Doesn't matter, that first $20 is magic. It's proof, because now I know something most people don't. People will pay me for my mind, not my resume. By week 6, I've got 3 clients, each paying $50. I'm making $150 a week. That's $600 a month. Combine that with a YouTube channel slowly growing in the background, and I'm already at $800 to $1,000 per month. But here's the real shift. I stop seeing myself as a broke person trying to survive. I start seeing myself as a creative entrepreneur, a builder, someone with leverage. And the moment you feel that, $1,000 a month doesn't feel like a finish line. It feels like the warm-up, because now I know how to scale. I double my rates. I specialize in one niche. Maybe I only do shorts for finance creators. I start batching content, outsourcing voiceovers, creating templates, building systems. Suddenly, I'm not working for $50 per client anymore. I'm running a micro agency. I have repeat clients, predictable income, and full control of my time. That's when $10,000 a month becomes real. Not from luck, not from some viral hit, but from stacking small wins every single week. And right here, most people pause the video and think, "Yeah, but it's easy for you." No, it's not. I started with nothing. I had a $100 smartphone, free Wi-Fi, and a mind full of doubt. But I chose action over excuses. And if this part of the video just shook something in you, if you're thinking, "I could actually do this," then hit subscribe. Because this channel isn't about hype, it's about clarity. It's about walking you through exactly how to change your life one step at a time. Now, let's address the real enemies: fear and distraction. Fear whispers, "You're not good enough." Distraction screams, "Try this instead." And laziness? Laziness hugs you while it kills your potential. That's why broke people stay broke. Not because they're incapable, but because they never stay consistent long enough to watch the compound effect kick in. If you publish 10 videos in 30 days, offer your service to 10 people, and improve your skill 1% each day, you cannot fail. But most people never do that. They want results without repetition. Here's what I tell them: discipline beats talent when talent isn't disciplined. Every single time. So start small, learn one thing, sell one service, make one offer, then repeat. Don't try to look rich, try to get free. Because once you make your first $1,000 a month online, your entire worldview changes. You stop chasing income, you start building systems, and before you know it, $10,000 a month doesn't sound like a dream anymore. It sounds like math. That's how I do it. Not with noise, not with hustle, with focus. Because you're not broke, you're just early. So stop doubting, start building, and never forget, you don't need luck, you need a formula. Let's build it together. If this video gave you clarity, share it with one person who's ready to escape the cycle. And remember, subscribe if you're serious about changing your life through strategy, not luck.